Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Telegram and you will click here in this page. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Telegram. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't